Okay, children, today I am going to teach you kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences are there in English? Kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. There are 4 type of sentences. 4 type of sentences रहता है इंग्लिश में. There are 4. One is declarative, or sometimes we call assertive. Assertive sentence or declarative sentence. And number 2 is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. The third one is imperative sentence. And the fourth and last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. There are 4 kinds of sentences. 1. Declarative or assertive sentence. 2. Interrogative sentence. 3. Imperative sentence. 4. Exclamatory sentence. What is declarative or assertive sentence? Assertive or declarative sentence क्या है? Is a statement. Declarative or assertive is a statement. It's a sentence that makes a statement, or that gives. A statement is something that we tell something or we give information to others. Statement मतलब हम लोग यहाँ हम लोग दूसरा को information जानकारी दे रहे हैं. He is studying, he is eating, he is reading, I'm eating, I'm bathing. ऐसा हम लोग बोलता है, statement देता है. ऐसा वाला को हम लोग declarative sentence बोलता है. तो declarative sentence तो he is writing homework, he is writing homework. He is writing homework, he is writing letter, he is going to market. तो ऐसा हम लोग अभी स्टेट करता है, हम लोग we are declaring something or someone. So this type of sentences we call declarative sentence. Okay. Interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence क्या है? Interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks question. तो interrogative sentence में हम लोग क्वेश्चन पूछता है, उसी को interrogative sentence बोलता है. How are you? आप कैसा हो? What are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What is your name? तो देखो हम लोग ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछता है. तो ऐसा वाला टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस हम लोग इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस बोलता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस. इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस क्या है? इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस इज अ सेंटेंस दैट मेक्स ऑर्डर करता है, एडवाइस देता है. वी गिव एडवाइस और वी मेक रिक्वेस्ट. So this type of sentences we call imperative sentence. Order, example, come here, get out from here, इधर आओ, यहाँ से निकलो, don't talk in the class, don't shout. तो हम लोग ऑर्डर करता है, we are giving order or request. Study well, learn well, always do good, help the poor people. तो ऐसा टाइप हम लोग एडवाइस देता है दूसरा आदमी को. We are giving advice to other. So such type of sentences we call imperative sentence. Request. Okay, request. Please give me your book. Please give me some water. Please come here. Please come and sit with me. Please come with me. तो ऐसा रिक्वेस्ट करता है. ऐसा वाला को imperative sentence बोलता है. Okay, now coming to the last one. that is last wala type of sentence, fourth type of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence क्या है? It's a sudden emotion or a strong feeling that we express our sentiment to others, such as joy, anger, surprise, sorrow, or sad. Such type of expression is called exclamatory sentence. Suppose joy, देखो हम लोग खुश करने का समय, but when we are filled with full of joy, or when we are happy, say what a beautiful place, what a nice place, what a nice dress. So such type of expression is called exclamatory sentence. When we are angry, anger. When we are angry, what a stupid fellow he is. What a bad smell. How cruel he is. When we are angry, हम लोग गुस्सा आने का टाइम है. When we are surprised, oh, you know each other. What? He died. Okay. When we are sad, alas, he died. Okay. When we are sad, हम लोग उदास sad करने का टाइम है. Oops, that's too much. Oops, he lost his leg. My sister lost her leg. So such type of expression is called exclamatory sentence. Okay. So in short, declarative sentence makes a statement or declares something or someone to other. Interrogative sentence is a asking question. Imperative sentence, we order, we give advice, or we make requests. Exclamatory sentence is we express our sudden feeling or sudden emotion. When we are happy, when we are sad, when we are angry. So such that is called exclamatory sentence. Thank you everyone for joining with me, for listening my class. God bless you. See you in the next class.